School holidays are here, and if you're wondering where to bring your kids for a fun-filled day, we've got the perfect place for you. Today, we're heading to Adventure Waterpark Desaru Coast, one of the biggest and most exciting water parks in Malaysia. From thrilling water slides to splash zones and relaxing pools, there's something for everyone in the family. Overall, Adventure Waterpark Desaru Coast is a fantastic destination for families, couples, and groups of friends looking for a fun day out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.